Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today, we are going to start a new topic, children. What do you see in the picture? Yes, in the first picture, you can see something long. What is that? It is a shadow. All the four pictures, you can see shadows, children. When are the shadows formed? They are formed with the reflection of light, right? With the reflection of light, they are formed. Most of us play with shadows, children. Yes or no? In the morning, during night time, when you off all the lights and only dim light is there. Yes, that time our shadow is formed. All of us play with the shadows. Do we or don't we? Yes, we do. We do play with our shadows. When power goes, when we lit a candle, that time we play more with it. Yes, I want you all to observe the shadows, how they are formed at different times of a day. And today we are going to study a poem written by Robert Louis Stevenson, My Shadow. How he plays with it, how he feels when he sees the shadow. He is describing a shadow in the poem My Shadow. Let's begin, children. Let's read, children, first. My shadow. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very, very little like me from heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoot up taller like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all. One morning, very early, before the sun was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. Yes, children? Written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Come on, let's see now stanza by stanza. What is our poet saying? I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me. So our shadow is always with us, children. Yes, never our shadow leaves us alone. Whenever there is reflection of light, it is definitely going to be with us. And it is same like us. Is our shadow different from us? No, it has the same hands, same legs. It's just our reflection. And what can be the use of him is more than I can see. Okay, what is the use of a shadow? How much our poet think? More than that it is. He is very, very like me from the heel up to the head. So, our shadow is like us only. And I see him jump before me when I jump into the bed. See, you can see the picture. Before the child is going to the bed, its shadow is there. Yes, shadow is formed. You can see. See that down one? Another boy. Big shadow. The shadow size is very big. Yes, so, the funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow. At different times, children, our shadow size also changes. Sometimes it will be very long, sometimes it will be short, and sometimes it won't be there. Not at all like proper children, which is always very slow. For he sometimes shoots up taller like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there's none of him at all. So sometimes it will be like an Indian rubber ball. It becomes so tall, okay? And sometimes nothing will be there. Sometimes nothing will be there. Sometimes it will be like a Indian rubber. See, these are Indian rubber balls which can bounce very high. It goes very high. So our shadows also goes very high. Sometimes it will grow very tall and sometimes nothing will be there, children. One morning, very early, before the sun was up, I rose and found the shiny dew on every buttercup. So, one morning when he got up, he saw it was already morning and rose. Rose is past tense of rise. Okay, rose is past tense of rise. And found the shiny dew on every buttercup. Buttercup is nothing but an yellow flower, children. This is the yellow flower which looks very beautiful. So our poet is talking about the flower, beautiful morning. Talking about this flower, is talking about the beautiful morning. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant child, sleepy head. Errant means completely. He is like a sleepy head. His shadow is feeling sleepy. Had stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. That means that early in the morning you don't find shadows. So the shadow was sleepy and didn't come out along with me. The poet Robert Louis Stevenson is telling children. Okay. Tomorrow what are you going to do is you are going to read the poem and going to write hard words. Tick the hard words, children. Shadow, shadow. First line little, first line little. Then fourth line jump. Second stanza funniest. The third line, second stanza. Third line Indian rubber ball. Third stanza morning. Second line shining. Buttercup. Arrant, 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 and Robert Louis Stevenson. And you're also going to write the glossary on page number 88 in your textbook, children. So, children, stay safe, take care, children. Thank you.